What's going on, Mr. John Goodman?
Well, right now, tying these resets together, fixing to put them on the line, energize them. So you didn't go fishing. Did you get a party in here?
A little bit. Watch the women is walking in and out the club, that's about it.
What club did you go to?
Huh?
What club did you go to?
I was really just outside of Frank's place uptown.
Frank's place.
Yeah, right uptown.
Where is it at?
Up there behind the chicken coop.
Oh, that one that your brother used to have? That place?
Well, around the corner from that.
This bare wire's called your ground. Green's your ground. You tie them together. Can't be second guessing myself. She got up Saturday morning, went and helped John for about an hour and a half. Come back and worked in the yard till I got tired and said piss on her. Sunday, I didn't do a whole bunch of anything Sunday. I want to go fishing.
This might sound like a joke. That's a real question. I hope I am. I talked to him.
You better not be hoping. You better know.
I better know that. We talked. The conversation seemed one-sided because, he hardly ever say something back. He answered with action, But him talking back to him. But we talked, though.
You see what I'm doing here? Same thing needs to be done over there. Right now we ain't doing nothing but color to color. That's all you doing. I'm doing 120 volts, 3 phases, the colors change.
It might be back. The lining.
No, I see what I look back. You see the little hole thing? That's where they help them hold. And then I see them on this side of the front. I don't know if they on that back.
That's what I'm saying. So these look like. If they missing anything,
How much you paying rent right there?
Just splitting it 150.
300 is what you're paying?
No, it's 125 man. It's 250 for us.
250.
Yeah, we in the 2-bedroom, while the rest of them 3-bedroom. They covered up the stairs that used to run through the building.
Yeah, I noticed that. I said, now where the hell do you get up there? Because I was looking at it and it had it walled up. And the walkway used to go through here, then you got on to the inside and come up. I said, well, they done changed it on me. And they built that staircase out of 2x4s, it looks like. I wouldn't be taking nothing heavy up there. Up that flat.
I know it's rough and it's raining. It's raining on it. A couple of nails them started coming out the side of the banister running down the side.
Yeah, it wasn't done too well, I can tell you that. Whoever done it,
Yeah, that was a crazy idea. They should have left it like it was.
it was better.
Trying to get more money for 3 bedrooms, that's all.
Boy, the color on that thing looks good, don't it?